Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kind of doing an unofficial dorm tour because I am at my college right now. I am attending SUNY Geneseo and I will be majoring in early childhood education with a minor in dance in the fall. But for now, I'm here because I'm doing this summer program that essentially lets us stay on the campus, take some classes, and get accustomed to the college lifestyle before the fall. And it actually is my last week here. Next week, I'm only here until Wednesday. I have some finals to take and then I am moving back in about 2 weeks later into a 4-person suite. Right now, I'm just in a normal double and I don't even have a roommate, so I'm kind of all alone. So yeah, I thought my last Saturday here, why not do an unofficial dorm tour? Essentially, my room in the fall is going to look pretty much the same, but I'm probably going to change some things around just because I did learn a lot from staying here. And of course, I'm going to be buying and adding more stuff because I was only here for a few weeks, and in the fall, I'm going to be there for a full semester. So yeah, let's get right into the tour. So right outside my room, there's this full-length mirror, which is nice. You can see my outfit for today. I live on the first floor, so the main lounge is right down there. And then here is my room, 1A 105. When you open the door, the first thing you kind of see is my trash can and my penny board. And then right up here, there are some hooks, and I have my robe and then my beautiful purse. And then moving right along this way, we get to the closet. I have my shoes, my laundry basket, and then this 3 plastic drawer thing, which I didn't plan on bringing, but my other drawers didn't come in on time, so I have this. I will probably not have that in the fall just because I don't need it really. And then I do have some clothes hung up. Again, I didn't bring all my clothes, and since it is summer, I don't have like a lot of things that need to be hung up. I have a little sun hat up there. And then right here is my desk area. I love this little thing that I found. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I have these cute little plants that were at Target and they were on sale. I think they were like $2 and $3, so I love those. It makes it feel so cute. And then I have a little mirror for when I do my makeup, all my makeup brushes. Ignore that random fork. I have a few mason jars back here. This one is to store all of my sunglasses because I have a lot. This mason jar right back here just has like different charging cords, like for my phone, my speaker, my computer, things like that. And then this one holds all of my scrunchies. And then right down here, I have this little white filing thingy that I just have some notebooks and my planner in. And then I have the matching pencil holder right there where I just have some pens and scissors and things like that. And then this tube actually has my toothbrush and toothpaste in it. I got it from Target as well. These 2 things were from Target too. And then right here, the dorm comes with like this little drawer thing, which is really hard to open because I have nails and you kind of have to like open it from the bottom. In this one, I keep all of my daily makeup, like all my face wash, makeup removers, face masks, deodorant, like things I will use daily. Like I have a lot of perfumes in here. And then in this bottom one, there's literally nothing because all of this stuff is supposed to be in there. So then right here, I have this like little hanging thing that's supposed to go on a door, but I put it at the end of my bed. And then for now, I just have my book bag on it. And then right here is my bed. Here's my favorite pillow. I got it from Burlington and I don't remember how much it was, but it's super like soft and plush. And then I have my beloved pillow pet. These 2 pillows came with this bed set, which I got from JCPenney's. I think it was around $50. And then right up here, I have these little leaves and then some string lights going across that have some Polaroids hung on it. The leaves are from Amazon. I am gonna buy another pack just to make it more full looking. And then I am gonna buy another one of the string lights just so I can hang another one going across that way. Or I might get actual like hanging string lights just because there's not a lot of lighting in the room and I feel like that would be nice. I would turn the lights on, but like the batteries are dead, but they display like different colors. And then these were also from Target. And then I have this super soft pink blush blanket that I got off of Amazon. I will try and leave links below in the description. And then since my bed is raised, I have this cute little furry step stool, so it's just easier for me to get onto my bed because it is quite a jump if I didn't have this, and I would look stupid trying to get on my bed. And then for my under bed storage, I have this little cube thingy. I didn't fully assemble this because I just didn't feel like it was necessary, but this has like 2 more top cubes to it. And then I have these little pull out baskets that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. This one just has extra bags and then my packaging that my bed came in, so I can put it back in there when I have to pack everything up. This one has different snacks, ramen, Pop-Tarts, pretzels, and then some containers so I can take snacks to class and stuff. Things like that. This one has cleaning supplies and stuff for my laundry, and then this last one just has extra blankets and stuff. Right over here I have these plastic storage bins. I have one in white and gray. The only reason why they're in 2 different colors is because I bought this one and then my mom ordered this one, so I actually don't mind that they're 2 different colors. It still goes with my color scheme. And then in this gray one I have my little shower caddy basket that just has my soap, a loofah, and then some face wash. I have a shower cap, my curling iron, and some tampons. In this one I have some face cloths and some I don't know what these ones are called. I think they're just like hand towels because they're bigger than the face cloths. And then in the bottom one here I have a bunch of towels. Now that I remember, I actually did put towels in this one because they all don't fit in there. So in the fall this one will probably just have more towels and stuff. And in this little corner is where I spend most of my time because my laptop is right here. I usually will sit right about here and do my work or just watch YouTube videos. And then this is a dresser that also came in the room. And in this one I have tons of shirts that are not folded. I don't think anything is folded in here. My mom would not be happy. In the one below it I have pants, skirts, and dresses. Again, they're not folded. Sorry, Mom. And the last one is empty. Right over here I just have this fan because our dorm rooms are not air conditioned, and then a lamp that came in the room. This is the other side of the room. I tried to keep it mostly empty besides my bags that my clothes came in when I got here, just because I didn't want to get used to having the entire room to myself, so I did keep all of my stuff on the one side. And then I have this little rug where I don't remember where I got it, but it is really nice. I think in the fall I'm also going to get a bigger one of these. And that is basically it of my room. Like I said, I don't have everything in my room that I'm going to be having in the fall. That's why I will probably do another dorm tour. Be sure you're on the lookout for that when the time comes. And for some of the stuff, I will try and leave a link below, or at least the store that I got it from, just if you're curious or if you want to buy the same thing. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, or if you like my room, make sure to give the videos a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!